What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy TYB, aka Laneyy P. Welcome back to another video, another banger, man. And today is a very special day. I just got off work and I've been waiting for this day for the longest time. Today, we get a new exhaust for the Supra. All right, y'all, so we are on our way to go pick up the exhaust right now. Bro does not live too far. He's actually giving me a really good deal. I'm super excited because this is the exhaust that I've been wanting on this car ever since I bought it. And oh yeah, those pops and those bangs are gonna get a whole lot louder. All right, y'all, so it is the next day. Last night we went to go pick up the exhaust, but the GoPro does really bad at night, so I decided to just wait and show y'all the exhaust. And I'm looking at it right now and it's just sitting there, so beautiful. And I think it's time to finally reveal what exhaust. I'm so excited, y'all. I cleaned the exhaust up last night, the microfiber towel, some WD-40, just because yes, the exhaust is used, but we got a hookup from our boy, so shout out to the homie. Here is the exhaust that we have bought. We got a single exit Tomei, and it is just absolutely beautiful with the titanium 3-inch, pretty much fully straight pipe. There is some little wounds, some battle wounds, because he did have it on his car for a while, but it's okay. There's no leaks, no nothing. This is gonna sound freaking ridiculous so damn early in the morning. We're gonna head to an exhaust shop right now. Hopefully they'll be able to put it on for me or squeeze me in this early. And I need to find, my biggest concern is finding a way to get my stock exhaust back to the house. It's probably like 2 miles down the road for this shop.
Consider myself yeah. This infinity pool is for bitches who get.
So we're gonna give her one last cold start with the stock exhaust. So y'all say goodbye to All Reliable. Settles down pretty nicely, but that's about to get a whole lot rowdier. Can't wait. Those finna be like gunshots, boy. Man, shout out to my guys at Advanced Muffler in Paris, on Paris. You feel me right there? They got me right in as soon as they open. So we got her going up on the lift right now. We got the Tomei sitting right here looking nice and pretty. So y'all can see, it's the stock exhaust. This big muffler right here, gonna come all the way down to this oval shape. I don't know why they did that from OVM, this little oval shape. I guess it was for clearance, but that's gotta go. There she is. Stock exhaust is off. Y'all can see the comparison. All the factory has all these little deformed little molds in there that really muffles the sound. This, nothing. This, hopefully this will fit in my grandma's car, because we got to figure out a way to get this back home. Otherwise, I don't know how I'm getting it back. Right here.
There we go.
Yeah, it should be straight right there. It's got a little road rash, but she'll be all right. Fitment is pretty nice. Yeah, solid. She looks good. It's good from the bag. There's a good amount of space right here, so it won't melt the diffuser. Yeah, she's sitting pretty. Fully straight pipe, and we got the Boost Logic downpipe still on there. Look at how the color changed. This was like fully silver when I first bought it. From the heat, it's turning purple. Oh, the titanium, that's dope. Love that. If y'all never seen under a Supra, this is what it looks like. All right, y'all, she's coming down. We're getting ready to get her first start up. It's like a regular car. You just put the foot on the brake.
Back?
Yeah, foot on brake, and then it'll press the button. Right there. Now do it. Oh, watch out, DJ. Wait, hold on. There you go. That's loud. I might get in some trouble, but fuck it. All right, y'all. We gonna go ahead and do my first start.
They might be ready for now.
Oh yeah, y'all, this thing. Oh my God, this thing is wicked, bro. I'm gonna give y'all first pull right now. Let this traffic go by. Pull out in front of this truck. Oh man. Oh my God. This thing is fish. This thing sounds freaking dope. Oh. Oh, he think his shit loud. Oh my God. Yo, bro, this exhaust, like, I don't think the mic is gonna pick up how just the bass, like how bassy this exhaust is. It kind of hits your soul in a good way. Like, it's like food for the soul. It's music to the ears of how just angry this car sounds. Susie, what got into you? All right, y'all, so we just made it back to the house. I got me a little slushy. The Tomei sounds freaking amazing. The fitment is great. It's not gonna burn or melt my diffuser in any way. It sounds wicked, like the bass, like it's in a sound that you have to really hear in person, and I'm gonna try to best capture it in this video, so get some outside sound clips over here in Mexico, so you guys can actually get the full experience outside and inside the cabin. So if you guys do want a Tomei on your Supra, you guys can go ahead and get a good idea of what it's gonna be like, what it's gonna sound like. I highly recommend this exhaust. This thing sounds freaking beefy. There is no dang, I know what it's called, but I forgot what it's called, but the thing that flips to where it makes it quieter, yeah, they don't have none of that on this exhaust. So it's just straight piped all the way through all the time, you know what I'm saying? So you could put it in off of sports mode and turn the pops off, but it's still gonna be pretty loud. All right, y'all, so it's been sitting for a while. We gotta go pick up the stock exhaust. I'm gonna do our first ever lukewarm start. So, you know, it's not cold start, she's not hot, but you know, you get what I'm trying to say. All right, y'all, so we took a quick trip down to Mexico. As you can see, it's about to be sunset. It took us a really long time to get here. And I'm gonna do some flyby, some pulls from the outside point of view, so you guys can understand how loud and how rowdy this Tomei really gets from the outside. So yeah, I got my boy with me. You feel me? He's gonna stand over here and hold the camera. And I'm letting her warm up a little bit more before I push her a little bit too hard. This thing is vicious. Hey, this shit fast, boy. You finna blow your shit. I'm so happy we got those clips, y'all. Y'all can see the Tomei is just perfect. It sounds amazing. I don't think I'm gonna need another exhaust. Obviously, I gotta be careful, you know, around the neighborhoods. I'm not gonna be you know, being extra and being inconsiderate of people. So I'll drive out of sports mode around the city, but when we want to get rowdy, we gonna get rowdy, and you're gonna hear all that. But soon, Flames E50 tune coming next. All right, my boy. The fuck? All right, so we're gonna find out if he could fit in the trunk, or you have the thing, right? So you want to try to get out? All right, bet. Bye bye. It what?
Oh shit.
It worked, see?
I know, but it doesn't fucking glow in the dark, so.
Oh, you were blind as fuck?
I swear, bro.
Oh, damn.
Bro, like if someone threw you in this bitch.
If somebody threw me, they would have to fight to get me out. Hold on, what do I have to feel for?
Shit.
Okay, that.
I mean, you could just turn on your flash.
Yeah, I could, but that.
Oh, it's dark as shit. Bro.
You'd suffocate in 15 minutes. I swear to God, I almost had an asthma attack in 30 seconds. All right, y'all, so it's now officially the next morning, so I can get a real official cold start. She's been sitting down. It's bright and early. It's too damn early in the morning. Y'all can hear it in my voice. I'm not a morning person. But the Tomei is sitting there looking pretty, and y'all gonna hear just how rowdy this cold start is. So yeah, let me get that going for you. Took that long to start. That's not the first time it's done that though. So I don't think it's the exhaust. That's the first time it took that long. Should I be worried? Maybe. I don't know. We'll see.
I got a stay, bro, got a blip, we catching hella poles. I love some melon in the dark, bitch, on a yellow bone. It get nasty when I'm fucking, you can tell, cause she get sweaty. He say he getting money, I'm like, hey, who you telling, bro?
Dogs gets me running to a bag, I'm in the corner like a Reza. Stella got me teed up.